Bleh. Hey guys, today on Will It Slime, we're making a giant jelly cube slime, and it gets a little crazy.
Slime got a cold.
You don't want to miss this, so stick around. But first, let's do some shoutouts. Taylor Corinne's World said, I love you so much. I've been early squad for a while. Once again, you are just an inspiration of creativity. I've hit that bell and stuff so much love to give. Taylor, thank you so much, Taylor. That is so sweet. MXT said, LOL, I love it when you say heart, heart, heart. Then let me say it again. Heart, heart, heart. That's just for you, MXT. Love Cupcake said, early squad, hit that bell. These videos are so good. Tell your kids I said hi. I did love Cupcakes, and they said hello to you. Official Tomato said, I love you guys so much. Early squad, heart. Can I have a shout out? When you get 1 million subs, I'm going to spam the comments with congrats. Heart, heart, love you. Thank you so much, Official Tomato. By the way, how do you become an official tomato? I once knew an official broccoli, but anyway. Fulia Julia said, love your videos. I subscribe to your channel, your ASMR channel, Kimtastic Hacks, and RMC Create Station. I just can't get enough of your beautiful family. Fulia Julia, you are so sweet. Sophia Smith said, hi guys, you're awesome. I heart you. You guys make me laugh every time. Early squad. Gymnastics 247 said, yay, I got here early, finally. Smiley face, smiley face. And see how it paid off for you, Gymnastics 247, because you made it into the early squad. And if you want to be part of the early squad, all you have to do is make sure that you subscribe to Will It Slime. And then after you subscribe, be sure to hit that notifications bell so you never miss a new video. Hey guys, today on Will It Slime, we are making, what are we making?
Slime.
We're making slime. We're making a giant jelly cube slime. Let's go. What are we using?
Giant fluffy sponges.
So what we did was, apparently, I'm tearing them. So for this jelly cube slime, what you do is you make a colored clear slime, and then apparently from what I've seen, you use magic erasers. Let's get one out. So we're gonna cut these up, and then we're gonna put them in the bowl, and it's gonna look like little jelly cubes. And what do we have here? We have 300 magic erasers. You ready to start cutting them? Let's get them open.
Yep. Oh my ice cubes! They're not ice cubes. It's raining ice cubes!
We have an opportunity here though. Do we really want to make slime or do we want to clean?
Make slime! Slime!
Okay, we'll make slime.
No sponge fight! Sponge covered up! They're all in the ice! It's a snow. Cameron.
So now we gotta cut these up. We'll get like 4 squares out of each one of these.
Okay.
We'll cut them up that way?
Yeah.
All right, let's get some scissors.
$10 for you, $5 for you.
That doesn't work very well. I'm gonna try a knife. Oh yeah, that works good. All right, only 299 more to go.
There is 299 because big one has lost.
That was quick.
I know, that was a lot quicker. Thank you, sweet pea.
It's a Barbie bed. It's just not going to be very happy when it breaks.
Let me put them in here. Hey guys, I think I got a faster way of doing this. So before anybody flips out, I did not really have the chainsaw running. That's just a sound effect I added. And I did not really chase the girls. So do not touch a chainsaw. I'm what you call an idiot. Wait, not an idiot, a professional. Anyway, don't be an idiot. Maybe that's not a good idea. I'll just put this up for now. So now that we finally got all... now that we finally have all of our sponges cut, it's time to make
Slime.
clear slime.
Wait,
And
camera.
for that we need a lot of clear glue. You can have some, you can have some. Alright, y'all ready?
Clear, clear.
Alright, so we're gonna pour our glue in there. Hey guys, if you haven't done it yet, how about smashing that like button for me? Go crazy!
That's why they get stuck in it.
So now that we've got our glue in there, we're gonna add some water.
Ew, that's so weird looking.
Where's the bubbling? Ooh, stop it. Stop it.
So we're gonna add some food coloring.
Ew!
Look at it running across the room.
That's weird looking. That looks like bear's venom. Oh, now it's done. That's actually pretty.
I added red instead of pink. It's alright, it'd be pretty.
I think it's turning into. Ow.
So now that we have our glue, our water, and our food coloring in, now we're gonna add a little bit of borax. But I'm gonna add it real slow and I'm gonna add a little bit at a time because I wanna try to keep this as clear as I can. You don't have to use borax. If you want, you can use whatever activator you'd rather have. But I'm using borax because it keeps it nice and clear. Look at it. So now that we've got our slime made, or what? The slime made. So now we got our slime made. We're gonna add.
Sponges in.
We're gonna put the sponges in. Okay, go ahead, put them in.
It's kind of cute. What? It's pink lemonade.
With ice cubes. There's some on the floor and I got them.
You ready? Okay, go ahead.
My turn. Ooh. Oh, there's one more hole.
Looks like our slime got a cold. Look at this right here. Our slime got a cold. Doesn't feel very good.
Ah, so sticky as all. It's the evil slime. La la la. Wow. Say what? Like slime.
Table's creaking.
It's
It's so heavy.
yeah.
Okay, so we've got our cubes mixed in, and we're gonna let it set for a little bit and see what it looks like when we come back and check on it later. Okay, guys. Okay, guys, so we let our jelly cube slime set for a little bit, and you can actually let it set. We only let it set for the rest of the day, but if you let it set for longer, it would clear up and be extra pretty. But we don't have time for that, so we're gonna take it out now. Okay, I'm gonna pick it up, and Riley, you pull out the tablecloth, okay?
Flip it all the way.
Ew, did you hear that? Ew, that's gross.
This look kind of chewy.
ABC.
You see that?
Feels like skin.
Help us pick it up. Help us pick it up. No. What we'll probably do is come back and check on this slime in another video and see how it clears up and see how pretty it gets. But for this video, this is gonna have to do it.